What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Man, I don't normally back my car up in the garage, but wow, that looks good. Whew. That big of a mess here doing a bathroom remodel. So today, make a quick video, little addition for the interior, little mod. Well, I guess not really a mod, it's kind of a 2020 thing, but we're going to be putting this badge right here, the dash plaque, goes next to the AC vent on the passenger side on the car real quick. Just want to show you how well this matches right here. This is the wide body Scat Pack Challenger badge. This is not the one that came on this car, said 392 and then Hemi below it, but it's been replaced probably at least a year ago. So here's the badge that's going on. Here's the part number if you're interested. I got this one from Steve White Parts, which I buy most of my OEM stuff from Steve White. And I got this one on eBay. So there's the part number if you want to pause that and take a look. Yes, made in China. Isn't that great? That should really trigger someone who recently commented on on my Harbor Freight U.S. General Toolbox video the other day. Man, he went crazy. I'm sure he doesn't watch my videos. He just stumbled across that one. But apparently I'm not American. I don't support American workers. Although last time I checked, the people at Harbor Freight work in America, and they're Americans. Anyway, doesn't matter. Alright, so here's what we're going to be replacing this Charger boringness with this 392 badge. It's going to look nice. So, if you just look on the back of the badge, it's got two clips and then some kind of like locating pin. So I'm just going to try to pop this out real quick. Try to do it one-handed. Got some pry tools here. Certainly don't want to mess up my dash. Alright, so clips be kind of like that. I'm going to try prying right over top of where a clip should be. Got options here. Got a whole bag of pry tools. Okay, that was the pry tool for the job. The other one was a little flimsy. So this part, this edge is popped out. Let me come over here to this edge. Popped out. Awesome. There it is. Yeah, that little dimple came on the car when I got it, and I ordered the car, or I bought the car out of state, and so I had no idea it was there, but something pressed this, made a little indentation. It's been there since I've owned the car, which I'm the original owner. So, alright, so easy peasy, lemon squeezy. I'm going to go ahead and get the new one lined up. So if you have a 2020, I believe you already have this. So this is just for 2019 and 2015, I guess. Boom. Alright, it's clipped in. That was pretty easy. So, little change, a little update. Still the texture matches the rest of the rest of the dash, so looks pretty good. I like it a lot. And I haven't made a video in a while. Just been enduring the pandemic like probably most of us. I have done a few things. Got the red SRT start button that's there. That was fun. And I have done a carbon fiber wrap right here and right here. Probably make an interior mod video at some point and highlight that. Haven't done up here, this is next, but I gotta take this car in the Dodge for some issues, or for an issue, which I'm probably about to film a video about that real quick and post that, just because I think it's a common thing that a lot of people have gone through, and I like to hear people's input on it. So, but there's just one last look at that. U392 dash plaque, that's the way it should have came from the factory from the beginning. At least they got it right eventually, but that's the one. So, show my scruffiness. So yeah, it's been a couple weeks since I made any videos, but you know, I just want to thank everyone for subscribing and watching. Just went over 500 subs, which is awesome. I really appreciate everyone that's hit the subscribe button, and this channel is moving slowly but surely, and I'm really happy to hit that 500 mark. Of course, next we're going to shoot for 1,000. So, you know, keep watching, keep subscribing. I'm going to keep on slowly but surely pumping out some videos. So, with that being said, don't forget to subscribe if you haven't yet, and I should have a few more videos. I got a couple things in the works. I got a couple ideas. I just need to stop being lazy and make them. So, and then, you know, once Florida's starting to get rolling, I think today was phase 1 or something. I don't know. I guess you can go to the gym now, but and restaurants are like 50% capacity. But anyway, no one's gonna care in a couple of years if someone's watching this video. But anyway, yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and wrap it up here, and we'll see you in a few days.